The Culinary Institute of America at Copia, in collaboration with Butter of Europe, is pleased to bring you Baking and Pastry Excellence, a free online educational series featuring the best in world baking and pastry. At the Model Bakery in Napa, California, we'll learn the secrets to baking flaky, buttery croissants with owner Sarah Mitchell Hansen and head production baker Gordon Patty.
I'm Sarah Hansen, and I own the Model Bakery in the Napa Valley. Today we're making our famous Model Bakery croissants.
That included mixing the dough, which was butter, obviously, flour, sugar, milk, water, yeast, salt. Then that's refrigerated overnight in blocks, wrapped in plastic. In the morning, it's degassed, flattened out. Then it's comboed with just below room temperature butter, which is very important to get the butter and the dough working at the same consistency so that they will spread at an even rate. And then they are folded together, laminated out, folded again, laminated out, folded again, finished, and then put in the freezer to temper down to almost freezing, at which point they're pulled out again, laminated out again, and then divided into whatever shapes you want to make out of them. Croissants, chocolate croissants, anything at all. So what I look for in the final taste, that first bite when you're checking them after they've been baked, is I want a little bit of yeastiness, I want a little bit of sweet, I want a little bit of crunch and flakiness. Like I want the top layers to fall off. That's a good sign.
I think they're just really unique because they're loaded with butter. They're really soft and airy on the inside.
Watch more baking and pastry videos at ciaprochef.com/butter.